And this video, guys, I will show with you how you can start TinyTask Playback. So guys, this is actually simple and easy. You can do watch this video and share this video. So guys, first step, open your TinyTask and click this preference, and then go to playback hotkey, and then you have to make sure you know what the playback hotkey is. So I'm going to tell you right now, and modify the default hotkey and Control plus Shift plus P, and then quite complicated. So I put myself to F8 and click just F8, guys, on your keyboard. And if you Windows 11, I recommended click on F8 or F12, and you will always your problem will solved, guys. So I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content. See you soon.